So before we get started, I just wanted to say one thing about feedback. We love feedback just like we love avocados. And that's a lot. I want everybody who takes this course to be really successful and produce a great podcast. So we make ourselves available to answer your questions in the discussion box. All you have to do is click on the discussions tab, click add discussion, and then add something creative in there. You can ask anything in regards to podcasting to make the course better. But of course, it'd be great to hear from you right now. And you can ask me anything that you want. Especially crazy questions like who would win in a fight, a bear or a lion? Or is Jessica Alba actually an alien? These are all perfectly acceptable questions and we look forward to hearing from you in the discussion forum. Another thing that helps us out a whole lot is if you write a review. All you have to do is go to your course dashboard, click write a review, and then write a review. It's quite easy. You can write it right now and then you can change it later if you change your mind. Writing a review is really helpful and it's a way for you to pay it forward for the next person so that they can learn how to podcast just like you did. Kind of like Davy Crockett did at the Alamo.
Storybooks tell they was all cut low, but the truth of it is, this just ain't so. Their spirits will live and their legends grow, as long as we remember the Alamo. Davy Crockett, fighting for liberty.
So now you've learned how you can participate in the conversation in this course and write a review. Now let's get into podcasting.